I'm Mohammed Kabiru. Welcome to Intensive Maths Clinic. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about multiplication of mixed number and a whole number. So we are going to use two methods to approach each of the problem we are going to solve. Let's consider the problem on the board. The first question is this: 7 multiplied by 2 whole number 2 over 5. So how do we solve this? This is a whole number and this is a mixed number. The mixed number, we are going to just partition it into two by what? Bringing out the whole number and the fraction. The whole number is 2. 2 plus 2 over 5. So what it means here is, since we are multiplying this with this, that means 7 multiplied by 2 and 7 multiplied by what? Plus 2 over 5. So we are going to say 7 multiplied by 2 plus what? 7 multiplied by 2 over 5. So by so doing, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 plus 7 times 2 is what? 14 over what? 5. So if we look at this very well, we have 14 plus, so 14 divided by 5 we have is 2 times, remainder 4 over 5. So this can 14 over 5, 14 over 5, which is 14 plus 2 plus 4 over 5 will be written as what? This. So we write this one can equally be written as this plus 4 over 5. So from here, 14 plus 2 is what? 16. And this 4 over 5 will be 16 all over 14 over 5 is the result to this problem. So we can equally solve it with this other problem, which is what? Very short and brief. 7 multiplied by 2 whole number 2 over 5. So we write this 7 multiplied by, we change this mixed number to improper fraction. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is what? 12. That is 12 over 5. So we now say 7 times 12 is, so 7 times 2 is what? 14. We write 4 and we'll take aside 1. So 7 times 1, 7 plus this 1, we'll take aside, we'll add it to it, it will become 8. That is 84 over 5. So 84 divided by 5 is 16 times. You can go in 16 times, remainder 4. Because when you multiply 5 by 16, we have 80. Remainder 4 over 5. You notice you have the same result with this. So let's solve the second question. So in exam situation, when you find yourself in a competitive exam, you can even solve this very fast, in few seconds. Unlike this, I have to follow due process. This is advisable to use when you are solving theoretical question. So it's optional, depending on the nature of exam we find ourselves. So number 2 is what? 10 multiplied by 2 whole number 2 over 5. So what we do here, 10 multiplied by 4 whole over 1 over 3. Rather, 4 whole number 1 over 3. So what we do here, we do just like what we've done here. 10 multiplied by 4. This is a whole number. The mixed number will be split into 2 plus 1 over 3. So it means that 10 times 4 plus 10 times 1 over 3. So we'll continue the solution from this side. So the solution continues from here. So it will be 10 times 4 is 40 plus 10 times 1 over what? 3 is 10 over 3. So from here, what we do here, you know mathematically 40 here is equivalent to 40 over 1. So what we do is we have two ways of proceeding here. Is either we find the LCM or what? Okay, assuming the LCM is 3. This is LCM. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. In 1 and 3 is 3. So we now say 40 times 3 is 120 plus 10 times 1 is 10. So which is equals to what? 130 all over 3. So we want to divide these two. So 3 divided by this. 3 divided by this is, we have 4 times. 40 times rather. Remainder 10. 40 times. Remainder 10. This times this is 120. So this divided this, we have 40 times. The remainder is what? 10. 3 times 40 is 120. Which is what? Plus that remainder, which is 10. So what we'll do here, having the remainder here as this. So the result is this 40 whole number 10 over 3 as the result of this. Alternatively, this can be written in this form. If 40 can go, 3 can go in 40 10 times. 3 can go there in 3 times. That means here is 43. 43 whole number 1 over 3 is the right solution to this. 43 whole over 1 over 3, because when we multiply this, we have 129 plus this is this. So this is the solution to this problem. So we can equally solve it in this manner, which is short and brief. 7 multiplied by 2 whole number 2 over 5. 9 multiplied, the third question, 9 multiplied by what? 9 multiplied, no, the solution, so that same two questions, this, we say 7 times 2 whole over 2 over 5. So, how do we solve this? 10 times 2, 4 whole over 1 over 3. So from here, we can just change this. This is 10, a whole number. We change this to improper fraction. 4 times 3 is what? 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 3. So we see this times this is 130. 130 divided by 3. And 130 divided by 3 is 43 times. Remainder 1 over 3. So we have the same solution to this. So it's very easy for us to approach. So if you find this content interesting, if this is your first time of watching this video, consider subscribing to my channel so that each time a new content is uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you for watching and God bless you. I still remain Muhammad Kabiru. God bless you.